Next, we have to find out the center of this section. So we'll have how to find out the center of this problem. Hmm? So the given question, you can see here there is a one semicircle is here, and if you see here, this is a one rectangle. Okay, so you have to assume in a such a way that, see, consider this, the whole area is a wooden block. Okay, it is a wooden block. In this, a part of semicircle has been removed. Okay, so why it has been removed? Consider to keep a ball inside, this is a stand also to keep a ball of 50 mm dia. So a wooden plank has been drawn. Okay, so considered, if you take, okay, so this is the section. Okay, so this is the section. So in this is what they have removed. Okay. So this part is removed. Okay, so I will show you now. Like this, it has been removed. Okay, so earlier it was a complete rectangle, now it has been removed. The same way it is here. One rectangular was there, one rectangular of 150 by 75, a part of 50 mm of semicircle has been removed. Okay, so what you have to do is, you take a full rectangular section, find out the area of a rectangular section, and minus with this area of a semicircle. And for the whatever the black portion is there, the hatched portion, this for this section, you find out the centroid. Okay, use the same formula where like this, sigma ax divided by summation of a. By using this formula only, you find it. Okay, but there is a one problem is here. Okay, see here, the whatever the section is here, if you cut exactly here, and if you cut exactly at the center, okay, and if you fold like this, it is not symmetrical. Okay, like this, if you fold it, it is not symmetrical to the y-axis. So y it is there, consider this is y, so this is y. If you fold in the y direction, so it is not symmetrical in the y direction. But if you cut here exactly at the center, and fold it like this, so cut at the, so you have to cut at the center, and you have to fold like this. So cutting and folding towards the x-axis, it remains constant. Okay, so it is symmetrical towards the x-axis. Okay, so no need to determine if it is a symmetrical to the x-axis, no need to determine. Okay, the centroid will exactly will comes on this line only. Okay, exactly it will comes on this line, but where it comes we don't know. Okay, so in this line only it comes on the x coordinate. But y, if you know y bar, then it may come here or here anywhere it may come. So we need to determine that. So that's what here see here, the x bar will remains 0. Why? You need not to determine, because it is symmetrical towards the x-axis. It is symmetrical. So x-axis, if you fold like this, so you're folding everything in the x direction. Okay, so that's why it is symmetrical to x-axis. So that's why what you have to do is, you have to determine only y-axis symmetry you have to determine. Okay, so what you have to do is, go take the section. Okay, this is the complete section area. If you first you take this the full rectangular section, you take it. Okay, full rectangular section you take it. The full rectangular section is 70 by 70 into 150. Okay, so 75 plus 75, it is 150. So it is 150 into this 75, length into breadth area you have taken, the whole section you have taken. Next, another area is this one, semicircle. Okay, semicircle area is pi r square divided by 2. So radius is 50, so that is pi r square divided by 2, radius is 50. So this is a minus angle. Okay, so minus area, so you have to remove this area. So after removing this area, after removing this area, is how to remove means just you put the minus sign, that's all. Okay, so next is centroid. So centroid for the area, if you take this one, okay, so you have to determine only for the y. Okay, y direction you have to determine. So it is like this. Okay, mm? So the total length, the total height is the 75 exactly at the center. If you take a rectangle, first I'm taking a rectangle, next I will take for the semicircle. Okay, so total height is 75 divided by 2. If you do it for a rectangle, it is 37.5. So nothing, 75 divided by 2 you do it, you will get 37.5. Okay, next you take this semicircle. Okay, semicircle you do it. So we don't know this height from here. So you see here, from here to here we don't know the height. So what you do is you come from here to here, you come to 75. So minus with this length, if you minus, you will get the centroid here. So nothing, you come here at the top level, you come 75. 75 minus of what's the centroid, consider the centroid will comes here means. Okay, so you need from here to here distance you need to determine. Okay, here to here distance you need to determine. How to determine? So you have to find it from here to here. So you don't know from here to here, so what you do is you take full length. Okay, minus with this length you minus. Okay, then the rest of the length you will get it. Okay, same way it is 75 minus 4 4r by 3 pi. The semicircle, the centroid is 4r by 3 pi from here to here, from bottom of the semicircle from here to here. Okay, 4r by 3 pi. So that is 4r by 3 pi. So radius is 50, you put it. So y2 you will get this much value. Okay, so you keep it as it is, don't substitute anything. So there is a two area, this one and this one. Okay, so that's why you will get this one and this one, this element and this element. Okay, so you know that y bar is equal to a1 y1 a2 y2, because we have two areas, so that's why a1 y1 and a2 y2 divided by the area. So area 1 and area 2 divided by area 1 and area 2. We know that formula is summation of y dash is equal to summation of a1 a and y divided by summation of area. Just you expand this a1 y1 a2 y2 a3 y3 a4 y4 like that. Summation of a is a1 a2 a3 a4, like that it will go. But here it is a two area, so that's why a1 y1 a2 y2 divided by area 1 area 2. Okay, so substitute, you know, area 1 area 2 area y1 and y2. So substitute the values. After substituting, so see here a1 is 150 into 75, I have put it here. So y1 is 37.5, I have put it here. So minus here, don't forget you have to use, you have to next area you have to use plus, but here area you have minus. So plus into minus you will get minus. You should not forget this one, so be careful. So area 2 is pi 50 square divided by 2. So I put it here. Okay, into y2. So y2 is 75 minus 4 into 50 divided by 3 pi. So I put it here. Okay, so divided by the area a1 plus a2. a1 is 50 into 75, that as I put it here 50 into 75, and area 2, that is minus pi into 50 square divided by 2. So pi 50 square divided by 2. So finally the y bar is 28.77. So from here see here, so from here exactly at 27.77 means from in this line only the centroid will comes. Okay, the centroid now it will comes from what the total hatch portion area is 27.7. Okay, so this is what the y bar. Okay, so x bar is 75. Okay, x bar is 75 because it is symmetrical. So if you fold like this, okay, it is symmetrical, so that's why it comes 75. Okay, So 75 from the this corner, and height is 27.77 mm. Okay, so this is in mm. So this is how the centroid of the this section, hatched section, we have determined. Okay, so don't forget this portion, semicircle portion, has to be removed. How to remove means just use minus sign, that's all.